Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nextbase 322GW dash cam. And be sure to stick around to the end because we'll be doing a giveaway of 4 cameras. Along with those cameras, we'll have 3 cabin view modules, as well as a rear view module, and also 4 SD cards, a total value of over $1,000 for the giveaway. The 322GW has a single forward-facing camera, but it is a modular camera, meaning you can plug in some additional modules like a cabin view camera or a rear view camera. It records at 1080p at 60 frames per second. They also say it's the world's first Bluetooth dash cam. It will automatically sync files straight to your smartphone or tablet with Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi. It also has an option to alert emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. It has a 2.5-inch HD IPS touchscreen. It also comes with an intelligent parking mode, which will automatically record any bump or physical movement on your vehicle when it's left parked. It comes with a simple click and go mount, and once that mount is attached to your windshield, you just snap the dash cam right in via a magnetic connection. And again, it's modular, so rideshare drivers will want to purchase the cabin view module, but there also is that rear view window module as well. And the cabin view camera connects via a port on the side of the 322GW, and the rear view camera also connects via that port, but it's corded. And a part of that Bluetooth auto sync is the dash cam is automatically connected to your phone when entering your car, so it's ready to use that emergency SOS service anytime. And you can access footage via the Nextbase app. And again, it records at 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. And as far as the price, the 322GW alone goes for $140. And if you order from their website, you'll get a free 32GB micro SD card. And also rideshare drivers will want to get that cabin view module, so that'll be an additional $100 for a total cost of $240. Overall, I love this dash cam. It's really small. I love the form factor. I love how those modules connect to it. It's a really simple, straightforward design. It's really clean. As far as design of the dash cams that we have reviewed, this is my favorite one. And it does everything expected of a dash cam. It records at 1080p at 60 frames per second. You access that footage via the Nextbase app. Both the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, when I first saw that, I thought it was a really cool concept. What I would like more is if it just automatically connected to your phone every time and was constantly pushing that footage to your phone in real time. But in order to connect to the camera, you need to proactively open the app, and then that's how you connect to the camera. And here's a look at a comparison to some of the other dual-facing dash cams that we've reviewed. So with the Nextbase, currently they do include a free SD card if you purchase it from their website. With the Vanshu N2 Pro, there is no SD card included, and with the Blue Sky C B2W, there is an SD card included. The total price of the Nextbase with the cabin view module is $240. The Vanshu N2 Pro is $170, and the Blue Sky C is $126. So again, I love everything about this camera. I love the design especially. It's my favorite one design-wise that we have reviewed. What I don't love is the price. It's a lot more expensive in comparison to the other dash cams that we've reviewed. Personally, dash cams really don't need to be too special. They just need to work. They just need to record that footage for you. I personally still use the Blue Sky CB2W. It's the cheapest, but it's effective. It works. I do love this Nextbase dash cam, but I personally couldn't justify paying that price. But for those of you that are willing to pay that price premium for a smaller form factor, a really nice design, this could be the dash cam for you. Again, the all-in cost for the camera, including the cabin view module, is $240, and we will leave a link in the description. All right, now as far as the giveaway, again, we have 4 dash cams to give away. We also have 4 modules to give away, 3 of the cabin view modules, and also a rear window module, and also those 4 SD cards. Again, a total value of over $1,000. Nextbase sent all of this to us free of charge, so thank you, Nextbase. And in order to be qualified for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, make sure to like this video, and also leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this dash cam. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.